In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar step by step so you can keep your schedule organized in one place. This is a really useful setup if you manage work events in Outlook and personal events in Google Calendar, because it helps you avoid double booking and makes it much easier to stay on top of your day. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once you're inside Google Calendar, look for the Settings gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, then choose Settings from the menu. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage all of your calendar options. On the left side, under Settings for My Calendars, select the Google Calendar that you want to sync. If you have multiple calendars, make sure you choose the correct one, because the secret link you copy will be tied to that specific calendar. This is an important step, so take a moment to double check that you've selected the right calendar before moving on. Next, scroll down until you find the Integrate Calendar section. In this area, Google gives you different links and calendar options. What you need here is the secret address in iCal format. Copy that full URL exactly as it appears. This iCal link is what Outlook will use to subscribe to your Google Calendar, so make sure you copy the entire address without leaving anything out. Now, open Outlook Calendar. Depending on which version of Outlook you use, the layout may look slightly different, but the process is the same. Look for the option to add calendar. Once you click that, choose Subscribe from Web. This tells Outlook that you want to connect an external calendar using a web link. In the subscription box, paste the Google Calendar iCal URL that you copied a moment ago. After that, enter a calendar name so you can easily recognize it inside Outlook. You can use a name like Google Calendar, Personal Calendar, or whatever makes the most sense for your setup. Then click Import to finish the process. Outlook will now start syncing with your Google Calendar subscription. Depending on your settings, it may take a little time for events to appear, so don't worry if everything doesn't show up instantly. Once it finishes, your Google Calendar events will be visible in Outlook, making it much easier to view your schedule in one place. And that's it. You've successfully synced Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar using the web subscription method. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials, walkthroughs, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.